How to make a woman orgasm. Think you know the answer? Think you're a stud? A player? Even perhaps a sex god? Really? Do you? She's not faked it? She's never faked it with you? You're too good for that. Are you that confident that you always make a woman orgasm? Well, I'm not, and neither should you be. And here's why. 70% of women will say that they have never had an orgasm during sex. That's not often, that's not rarely, that's not once, that's never, guys. So what's going wrong? Men are spending too much time focusing on how to get a woman into bed, and not enough time learning how to please them when they're there. Hard truths. So all you so-called studs, wipe those smug grins off your face. You probably know next to nothing about how to please a woman in bed. Getting a woman into bed is easy, but knowing how to make a woman orgasm will make you a real man. Each of us need to learn how to make a woman orgasm. It's our duty as real men. Why bother to make a woman orgasm? That's simple. If you can please any woman sexually, then they will want you more. You will have the willpower to decide when, where, and who to sleep with. A satisfied woman is never a cheating woman. Because as real men, shouldn't you be able to satisfy women with your hands, dick, and tongue? So what is a real player's philosophy? To reinvent what it means to be a player. To share knowledge on how to make women orgasm in a way that makes sense to men so that they can actually improve their sex lives. To promote the real players of this world, men who don't just pick up women, but men who act like gentlemen, both in and out of the bedroom, and who know that a satisfied woman is a happy woman. To ensure that men don't continue to disgrace themselves in the bedroom, so that together we can bring down that 70% figure. To give us all the confidence and knowledge to go out and satisfy our loved ones, or any girl we want, by mastering the following. What a real player must study. Mastering a full and high-level understanding of female sexual anatomy. Learning and using certain techniques to stimulate women's bodies in the right way. Knowing exactly which sexual positions stimulate a woman to the maximum effect. Is it easy to make a woman orgasm? Yes, once you know what you're doing. Once you get off your lazy ass and learn how to do it, it is not hard to make a woman orgasm. You studied boring subjects at high school, didn't you? And they were boring compared to this. Now study something far more interesting and learn how to make a woman orgasm.